If you own a service-based business or you do the marketing for a service-based business, I guarantee that you can get $5,000 in free marketing just by watching this video. I guarantee it. And this isn't some way for you guys to scam people out of their money or something, but it's actually much simpler and much more surprising than that. So I call it the 9x12 method, and all that you're going to do is get other businesses to split the cost of marketing with you. But here's the thing, you don't have to pay for the card because you're the one bringing all the businesses together. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Here's how it works. This card goes to 5,000 houses. It's gonna cost you around $3,000 to $4,000 to get that printed and shipped to the 5,000 houses. And no, you don't need 5,000 addresses. You use the US Postal Service every door direct mail system, so you just choose the postal route and bah, you're good. You'll charge other businesses $500 for a slot, which gives you $8,000 in revenue if you were to sell the whole thing. But here's the thing, $8,000 in revenue, it's only gonna cost you $3,000 to $4,000 in printing. So you get to decide how much of an ad space you're gonna take for free. You could take the entire half of the card and the other side of the card would pay for the entire card. So you literally get one whole half of the card and the other side could just be your featured vendors or something like that. And then this side would be your advertisement. And this is a 9x12-inch postcard. It's massive. It's the biggest thing that people receive in their mailbox. It wraps around the rest of their mail. So it's literally the best mail advertisement you can get. And the biggest service businesses in the country spend thousands of dollars a month on mail advertising. And there's a reason for that. Because it works, but most people don't do it because it's extremely expensive. Only the biggest service businesses can actually get away with this. And you might do mail marketing yourself, you might pay thousands of dollars for it, but why not get it for free when you could just bring other businesses together? And you probably already know a few business owners that will be like, heck yeah, I'll pay $500 to go to 5,000 doors. It's benefit for them too, because they're going to 5,000 doors for $500. That's peanuts. So it's a win-win for everybody. You're getting free advertising, they're getting cheap advertising, and they're your featured vendors. And this can be a way for you to solidify your brand as the plumber in town or the roofer in town. Think about Andersen Windows. Everybody knows Andersen Windows because they spend probably millions of dollars on mail advertising. They are always in your mailbox and it works. You might throw their stuff away, but you still know who they are. Do you want to be the plumber that everybody knows in your town? You could own your town. You just do this once a month. If your brand is on this big card once a month, you think people aren't going to remember your brand when it comes time to fix a pipe or when it comes time to redo the roof? Of course, if you're sending little postcards, they might get thrown in the trash. But this is sticky because those vendors might also be offering discounts to their stores. For example, if you do a restaurant and they're giving a 10% discount off the bill, then people are going to hold on to these cards until they use that discount. So especially when there's 8 of them on here. 8 different discounts, they can't use those all at once. So that whole time, your brand is potentially magnetized to the refrigerator or at worst in their junk drawer. Yeah, it's their junk drawer, but that's better than the trash. And like I said, just look at Andersen Windows. Do you want to be the Andersen Windows of your town? You can do this. And yes, I have something to sell you. Or you can just look at my YouTube and you'll probably be able to learn enough to be able to do this on your own. But I did put together a community and a course is attached to that community that walks you through step by step exactly how I sell out these cards. I actually do it for personal income. I'm a realtor, but I don't put my ad on here because I actually basically retired from real estate because just selling these cards was so profitable. So I just keep the profit instead. But it's honestly probably easier when you're coming to them from the frame that you're another business owner and you're just trying to get cheap advertising as well. So you're at an advantage. But I did put together a course, link in the description. It'll show you exactly step by step how I sell these cards out. It'll be relevant to you. There's also a community of 2,600 people attached to that course, so you can post questions. There's tons of service-based businesses in there doing the same thing, trying to get some free advertising and making some profit as well, because they're just gonna take a little corner of the card, so they get advertising, but they're also making profit, and the rest of the card gets paid for by itself. So you really have all kinds of options. And who knows, maybe then you'll want to quit roofing and just sell out postcards. But if you want that step-by-step roadmap, the link is in the description, like I said. And by the way, I have a money-back guarantee, so if you don't like it, just message me within 24 hours in the group, and I'll give you your money back, whatever. I want you to feel like you got value out of it. If not, I'll give you your money back. And if you're not interested in joining the group yet, just watch this video right here that'll show you step-by-step exactly how I send my emails to sell out these slots. It's pretty simple. It's copy and paste. Thank you.